Many years back, as a survivor of child abuse, I spoke about awareness on child abuse. I fight with mental health, mental depression. I feel like I can't do this anymore. Hi everybody, and good evening. This is Kolkata from Kolkata. We finally decide and take a stance to speak out. I am battling with is a personal trauma. I have been unable to come out of it many years back. As a survivor of child abuse, I spoke about awareness on child abuse. Many people have again been judgmental, even like family has been judgmental that I should not speak about it. The pain that cannot be felt through physical pain, the pain that can be felt only mentally. I've lost a lot of confidence, faith. I've lost out on family, and yet I'm stuck in a family which I can't call my own anymore. At the end of the day, I think that it is completely our own responsibility. The ownership is mine. I've written about my personal journey over the years, and I feel that it has given me some relief. But again, each day, each moment is a learning journey. In each moment, again, consciously, subconsciously, I tell myself that I can't give up so easily. Some of my really close friends and my workplace, and I think I owe a lot of my recovery to them. I'm on the path of healing. So we all think that there are things which we cannot do without, but we learn eventually how to do without them. I do write short poetries at times now. This part was a part of my journey. I just cannot run away from it. I have to face it. I have to walk through the path, and I am walking, never to give up. This is not the end, my friend.